since I'm in my grandpa's house.
Oh,
I'm all with nature.
okay. So what do you see here?
I heard a bird tweeting and also crickets creeping, and you know what? Nature is still beautiful. We have to protect nature.
And you, yeah, can you see beautiful flowers too?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we're around with flowers too.
Okay. Do you have any idea? We can make some flower bouquet out of it.
Yeah.
Could we do it?
But we already have.
You already made one?
Yeah.
Can I see that? Wow.
Could you take that? You could also do it in this one.
Let's collect more. No.
So nature is really great. So it really works. So it works all day. So the plants really great. And cars go by. And nature is really great. So I see birds and creepers. So I really like notice them. I like to nature. So we should protect